Hi students, today I will teach you people as resource. Lesson number 2 in your economics subject. Yes, people as resource refers to a country's working people in terms of their existing productive skills and abilities. People as resource is a way of referring to a country's working people in terms of their existing productive skills and abilities. Looking at the population from the productive aspect, emphasis its ability to contribute to the creation of gross national product. Yes, the people, if work, then their income is counted as national income. So, working people are the resource of our country. Like other resources, population also a resource, a human resource. This is the positive side of a large population that is often overlooked when we look only at the negative side. Considering only the problems of providing the population with food, education, and access to health facilities. When the existing human resource is further developed by becoming more educated and healthy, we call it human capital formation. They do not have rich natural resource, but still they are called developed nations. Human beings perform many activities which can be grouped into economic and non-economic. People as resource is an effort to explain population as an asset for the economy rather than liability. Population becomes human capital when there is an investment made in the form of education, training, and medical care. This investment can give high rates of return in the future. This investment on paper is the same as investment in land and capital. Society also gains in other indirect ways because the advantage of more educated or healthier population spread to those also who themselves were not directly educated or given health care. In fact, human capital is in one way superior to other resources like land and physical capital. Human resource can make us use of land and capital. Land and capital cannot become useful on its own if the people will not use those resources. Okay, thank you.